Good morning, students. I'm here with my next video of CSS part 6, and today's topic is margin property. Margin property. Let's begin. CSS margin property. The margin is defined as the distance from each side and element. Means that there is a difference between the side from the page as well as from the element. Element means another text or picture. For setting margin for each side of an element is top, left, right and bottom. Let's see the first property of margin. Margin for each side. This property specifies the margin to each side of an element. Syntax: margin top 50 px. To define 50 pixel margins at top, margin left 100 pixels. To define 100 pixel margin at the left. If I want to give at the bottom, so at that time I will give margin bottom and the value, and if I want to give at the right side, then I will give margin right and the value. Let's see it with an example. So dear students, this is a text, a paragraph. I'm going to give it a margin. Margin desktop 50 px. File, save, refresh. You can see the distance from the page border and the text. Let's see if I'll, instead of top, if I'll give bottom. Let's see whether the distance from the hello is it increase or not. File, save, refresh. Now you can see the distance has increased. Let's increase the size or value of bottom also. File, save and refresh. Are you able to see now the distance from the hello and the last line of the text? The margin has increased. Now if I want to give another margin, for that I will write margin left colon 100 pixels. Let's see. File, save, refresh. Now the distance from the left hand side. Same here, instead of left, if I'll write right, it will give the margin from the right hand side. If I'll give at the top, it will give from the margin from the top. We can give all the four, we can define all the four margins in a single line also. I hope this is clear to all of you. The next property, margin using shorthand property. Margin 20 pixels, 40 pixels, 50 pixels, 60 pixels means we are having four values. These values are, first is for top, then left, bottom, right. So 20 is for top, for left it is 40, for bottom it is 50 and for right it is 60 pixels. Second is margin 20 px, 50 px, 100 px. Three values. Top 20, left and right 50 and bottom is 100 pixels. Third is margin 20 px and 50 pixels. Two values. So top and bottom 20 pixels, left and right 50 pixels. Fourth, margin 50 pixels. Only one value. Means all the four margins are of 50 pixels. Let's see it with an example. Now here I'll give margin. I'll start with in the reverse order. Margin 100. File, save, refresh. Are you able to see? Same distance from all the four sides. I haven't defined top, bottom, right or left. I have only written margin 100. Let's see. So with the two values, margin 100, no space, 100 pixels, no commas, only space, and 50 px. Let's see. File, save, refresh. Now you can see from top and bottom 100 pixels, from left and right 50 pixels. Now the third is space 20 px. File, save, refresh. Now 100 from the top, 50 from left and right, and 20 from the bottom. Okay. Space 80 px. Let's see. File, save, refresh. Now 100 pixels, 50 pixels, 20 pixels, and 80 pixels. Are you able to see? So this is the way by which we can define the margin in a shorthand manner. So students, I hope you are able to understand the margin property in CSS. Students, please try at your home. Have a good luck. Keep yourself safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.